So hello everyone. So today I will give some example on how to solve exponential inequalities. Okay, so example number 1. Okay, so 10 raised to 5x plus 2 is greater than 10,000. Okay, so first step, kailangan pareho sila nung base. So, para ma-solve natin yung variable x na nasa exponent. Okay, so dito ang ating base is 10. Ito naman is 10,000. So, si 10,000, pwede natin niyang i-rewrite as base 10 din. Okay, so pwede natin siyang isulat as 10 raised to 4. Kasi 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equal lang to kay 10,000. Okay, so kapag pareho na sila ng base, ang kukunin mo ngayon yung exponent. Okay, so bring down na natin yung exponent. So 5x plus 2 is greater than 4. Then solve for x. Okay, so si positive 2, since wala siyang variable, hindi natin pwedeng isama kay 5x. So, lipat natin siya dito sa kabila. So, i-combine natin siya dito kay 4. Okay, so 5x na lang yung matitira sa left side. 5x greater than 4. So, from positive 2, magiging negative 2. So, 4 minus 2 is positive 2. So, 5x is greater than positive 2. Okay, so para matanggal yung 5 na katabi ni x, di-divide natin both sides by 5. Okay, so cancel. So, ang matitira na lang is x is greater than 2 over 5. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ang pwede lang daw maging value ni x para dito sa inequalities natin is greater than 2 over 5. Mas mataas daw. Okay, so pwede natin siyang i-rewrite as interval notation. Okay, so from positive 2 over 5 to positive infinity. So, naka-parenthesis si 2 over 5 kasi not included siya sa ating value of x. So, ito yung ating magiging final answer. Okay, so next example. Okay, so 9 over 2x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 3 raised to 8x. Okay, so again, ang first step, kailangan pareho sila nung base. Okay, so dito is 9, dito naman is 3. So, since si 9, pwede natin yan i-rewrite as base 3 din. Okay, pwede natin yan isulat as 3 raised to 2 or 3 squared kasi 3 times 3 is 9 raised to 2x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 3 raised to 8x. So, ngayon, pareho na sila ng base. Kunin na lang natin yung exponent. So, dito, meron na tayong isa pang exponent dito sa labas. So, ang gagawin mo dyan, i-multiply. So, bring down natin yung dalawa. So, 2 times 2x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 8x. So, binaba lang natin lahat ng exponent. Okay, so distribute natin si 2 dito kay 2x minus 1. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Greater than or equal to positive 8x. Now, pagsamahin lahat ng may variable x. So, ang like terms lang dito, si 4x tsaka si 8x. So, lipat natin sa kabila. Then, si negative 2, since wala siyang variable, hindi mo po siya pwedeng isama dito kay 4x pati kay 8x. So, ang gagawin natin, lipat natin siya dito. Okay, so 4x, si 8x from positive magiging negative, greater than or equal to, from negative 2 magiging positive 2. So, 4x minus 8x is negative 4x is greater than or equal to positive 2. So, para matanggal yung katabi ni x, divide natin both sides by negative 4. So, cancel. So, x is greater than or equal to 2 over 4 or lowest term, pwede natin siyang gawing negative 1/2. Okay. Okay, so since nag-divide tayo ng negative number, kapag nagdi-divide tayo ng negative number sa inequality, so marireverse yung ating inequality sign. So from greater than or equal to, marireverse siya, magiging less than or equal to. So ang ating magiging answer is x is less than or equal to negative 1/2. So mas mababa naman daw kay negative 1/2. So ang ating interval notation, magiging from negative infinity, kasi nga mas mababa daw kay negative 1/2, to negative 1/2. Then, naka-bracket si negative 1/2, since included siya sa pupwedeng maging value of x. So, ito ngayon yung ating magiging final answer. Okay, so next. Okay, so 1 over 10 raised to x plus 5 is less than or equal to 1 over 100 raised to 3x. Okay. So, dito ang base natin is 1 over 10. Dito naman is 1 over 100. So, si 100, pwede natin siyang i-rewrite as 10 squared. Kasi 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, so 1 over 10 raised to x plus 5 is less than or equal to 1 over 10 squared raised to 3x. Okay, so kapag same base na, ang kukunin mo na lang yung mga exponent. Okay, so dito, ang kukunin natin exponent ay x plus 5 is less than or equal to, so si 1 over 10 raised to 2, equal lang din yan dito. Kunin natin itong exponent na to, then multiply kay 3x. So, 2 times 3x. So, 2 times 3x is 6x. So, x plus 5 is greater than, is less than or equal to 6x. Okay? So, next, combine like terms. So, pagsamahin natin si x tsaka si 6x. So, pwede natin ilipat si x dito or si 6x dito sa kabila. So, kahit alin lang doon. Okay, so dito, ilipat natin si x dito. Okay, so 5 is less than or equal to 6x minus x. Okay. So, 6x minus x is 5x. Then, divide natin both sides by 5. So, para makancel. So, ang matitira is 5 divided by 5 is 1. So, 1 is less than or equal to x. So, ito na ba yung ating final answer? Okay, so remember yung second property ng ating inequality. Kapag daw ang base is less than 1, marireverse yung ating inequality sign. Since yung base natin dito is 1 over 10, so mas mababa siya kay 1. Ibig sabihin, marireverse yung ating inequality sign. So, from less than or equal, magiging greater than or equal. So, ibig sabihin, si x daw, or mas mataas na si 1 kesa kay x. So, yung ating interval notation, from negative infinity to positive 1. Included si positive 1 sa ating value of x. So, dapat naka-bracket din siya. Okay. So, next example. Okay, next example we have 27 raised to x is less than 81 times 3 raised to 4 minus x. Okay, so, etong mga base natin, palitan natin siya nung base 3. Okay, so si 27, pwede siyang i-rewrite as 3 raised to 3. So, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Then, raise natin sa x is less than, so si 81, pwede natin yan i-rewrite as 3 raised to 4. Equal lang yan kay 81. Okay, so next, multiply kay 3 raised to 4 minus x. Okay? So, next. Since pareho na sila nung mga base, ang kukunin mo na lang yung mga exponent. So, dito, si 3 multiply natin kay x, magiging 3x is less than. So, dito, kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng same base, ang gagawin mo is i-add natin yung mga exponent nila. Okay, so dito, ang exponent niya is 4, plus, ang exponent naman ay 3 is 4 minus x. Again, kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng same base, i-add lang natin yung kanilang exponent. Then, combine like terms. Okay, so ang like terms dito is si 3x tsaka si negative x. Then, si 4 at positive 4. So, si negative x, lipat natin sa kabila. So, magiging 3x plus x is less than 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, so 3x plus x is 4x is less than 8. Okay, so divide natin both sides by positive 4. So, cancel. So, 8 divided by 4. So, ang makukuha natin answer dyan is positive 2. So, ibig sabihin daw, ang pwede maging value of x is less than positive 2. Mas mababa. So, ano ang ating interval notation for that? So, from positive 2, from negative infinity to positive 2. So, kasi mas mababa daw si x kay positive 2. Okay, next example. Okay, so 3 over 2 raised to x is greater than 9 over 4. Okay, so si 9 over 4, pwede natin siyang isulat as base of 3 over 2. So, si 9, gawin natin base 3. Si 4, gawin natin base 2. Okay, so 3 over 2 raised to x is greater than. Si 9, pwede siyang isulat as 3 squared or 3 times 3 is 9. Then, si 4 naman, gawin natin base 2. Kasi 2 times 2 is 4. So, kapag same sila, no, exponent, pwede mo na lang yan pag-isahin. So, 3 over 2 raised to x is greater than 3 over 2 raised to 2. So, inisa mo na lang yung kanilang exponent since pareho lang naman. Okay, so, since pareho na sila ng base, kunin mo na lang yung mga exponent nila. So, x is greater than positive 2. So, nakuha na natin agad ang pwedeng maging value of x, which is x is greater than positive 2. Mas mataas. So, ang ating interval notation for that, from positive 2 to positive infinity. Okay, so parenthesis lang si positive 2 since not included siya sa possible value of x. Okay, next. Okay, so 16 raised to x is greater than or equal to 1 over 8 raised to x minus 2. Okay, so ang base natin dito is 16. Dito naman is 1 over 8. So, pwede natin silang isulat as base 2. Okay, so si 16, pwede natin siyang i-rewrite as 2 raised to 4. Then, raised to x is greater than or equal to si 1 over 8. Si 8, pwede siyang isulat as 2 raised to 3 raised to x minus 2. Okay, so para maging base to itong ating 1/2, kailangan natin i-reciprocal. So, magiging negative yung kanyang exponent. So, from positive 3, magiging negative 3. So, dito, multiply lang natin to. Magiging 4x na. Okay, so from 1/2, reciprocal niya is 2. Then, yung ating exponent na positive 3, magiging negative 3 na. Then, raised to x minus 2. So, same base na sila. Kunin mo na lang yung mga exponent. So, dito si 4x is greater than or equal to, si negative 3 multiply kay x minus 2. So, negative 3 times x minus 2. Okay, so 4x is greater than negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Okay, so combine like terms. So, ang like terms dito ay si 4x and negative 3x. So, lipat natin sa kabila si negative 3x. So, magiging 4x plus 3x is greater than or equal to positive 6. So, 4x plus 3x is 7x. Okay, so divide natin both sides by 7. So, cancel. So, ang ating magiging final answer is x is greater than or equal to 6 over 7. Okay, so ang ating interval notation, since mataas daw si x or equal kay 6 over 7, from positive 6 over 7 to positive infinity. So, naka-bracket si 6 over 7 since included siya sa po pwede maging value of x. Ito ang ngayon ang ating final answer. Okay, so next example. Okay, so 9 raised to 3x plus 5 is less than or equal to 243 raised to x minus 6. Okay, so dito kailangan pareho sila ng base. Pwede natin silang isulat as base 3. Okay, so si 9, 3 squared or 3 times 3 is 9 raised to 3x plus 5 less than or equal to si 243, pwede siyang i-rewrite as 3 raised to 5 raised to x minus 6. Okay, so kapag same base na, kunin na lang yung mga exponent. So dito, si 2 multiply kay 3x plus 5 is greater than or equal to, so dito naman 5 multiply kay x minus 6. Then distribute muna. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 5 is 10. Less than or equal to 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 6 is negative 30. Okay, so combine like terms. Ang like terms lang is si 6x tsaka si 5x. Then si positive 10 at negative 30. So si 5x lipat sa kabila. Then si 10 lipat din dito. Okay, so magiging 6x. So from positive 5x magiging negative 5x is less than or equal to, so dito is negative 30. Then si 10 lipat sa kabila magiging negative 10. So 6x minus 5x is equal to x na lang. Is less than or equal to negative 30 minus 10 is negative 40. Okay, so ang ating final answer is x is less than or equal to negative 40. So ano ating magiging interval? Okay, so from negative infinity to hanggang saan daw? Negative 40. Then, since included si negative 40, naka-bracket siya ngayon. So, ang ating final answer is negative infinity to negative 40.